Okay, in this video we will start by installing the NoIP agent on our Kali Linux. You can find these installation steps in the course manual. So I will just do a simple copy and paste to these steps in our terminal, and please make sure that your Kali machine is connected to the internet so we can download the agent software here. Alright, so at this point it's gonna prompt you to enter your email and password which you used to register into NoIP website. So I'm gonna type my email address here. Okay, and it looks like that I mistyped my password, so let me fix it really quick. Okay, and now we can see that Python hosam.ddns.net is already registered to our account and a new config file has been created. Okay, great. Now let's jump to the target machine. In Python, to do a DNS lookup is very simple. It's just a matter of single line to resolve the IP address. And we will do that using this line, socket.getHostName or getHost by name. Then we store the result, which is the IP address of the attacker machine, in a variable called IP. For now, I will just comment the connect function and print out the result just to make sure that our script is working fine here. So I'll run the module and it says the IP address is this one, 37.202.101. Let's go to the attacker machine and verify our public IP address. And fair enough, our target was able to find out our correct and updated public IP address. Alright, so since the IP variable store our attacker IP, we will pass this value into connect function and we will use this value to connect back to the attacker machine. Note that we have replaced the static IP address with a variable called an IP. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.